Hey, Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com. Little disclaimer before I do this performance of this song. It's a bit too high for my voice. I would personally bring the capo lower so it's easier for me to sing and move it down. But I'm going to keep it here on fret 4. Have a go at singing it anyway because I do quite enjoy it. And let's give it a go and see what happens. 3, 4. I've been holding on to pieces, swimming in the deep end, trying to find my way back to you, cause I'm needing a little bit of love, a little bit of love, a little bit of love. Lately I've been counting stars, and I'm sorry that I broke your heart. It's something that I didn't want for you, but I'm stepping on broken glass, and I know this is my final chance. All I'm trying to do is find my path to you. I got voices in my head and there's a deafening silence. I got voices in my head and I can't lie. I've been holding on to pieces, swimming in the deep end, trying to find my way back to you, cause I'm needing a little bit of love, a little bit of love. I need a little love. So there we go. So I'm gonna make this as beginner friendly as possible for those of you that you only need 4 chords for this song. Great fun pop song. Grab your capo, stick it on fret 4. If you haven't got a capo, just invest in one. Even if all you've got is a borrowed guitar, to spend like £3 to £5 on a capo is going to be totally worth it for your journey. Even if you're chucking the guitar in a year's time, which I really hope you don't, the capo is still a great investment, especially if you want to be a singing player. So grab one, let's start learning the song. Right, just 4 chords for you on this one, just 4. C, G, A minor, and we'll use the F major 7. Right, now I'm going to teach you those chords if you don't know them. If you do know them, then I've just left a little link in the video, a little timestamp in the video. Skip along to that and you can get into the rhythm pattern and the order of the chords and singing and stuff. So click that. All right, so the C chord. Guitar has 6 strings and I label the strings Eddie, A, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie, E, A, D, G, B, E. With our capo on fret 4, once again, get yourself a capo, please. If you're going to be a singing player, for the investment of a few pounds, they're totally worth it. So just buy one, get it done. Index finger on fret 1 on the B string, middle finger on fret 2 on the D string, and ring finger on fret 3 on the A string. And strum the bottom 5 strings. Okay, that's your C. Your G. Now, there's 2 ways of doing it, okay, but I'm going to give you the easier way because I'm presuming you're a complete beginner here. Index finger on fret 2 on the A string, middle finger on fret 3 on the E thickest string, and ring finger on fret 3 also on the thinnest string, and strum all 6. Now, if you've been playing guitar a bit longer, to go from C to G and do it this way with middle finger move up to fret 2, ring finger up on fret 3, and pinky on fret 3 is a lot easier in this song to do that movement. However, you may have weaker fingers and they may be wobbling around like crazy. In that case, do it this way. The A minor, index finger on fret 1 on the B string like we had with the C chord, middle finger on fret 2 on the D string, and ring finger on fret 2 also on the G string. Get on those fingertips and strum the bottom 5. And the F chord, we're going to be holding down the 3rd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, and 1st fret on the B string again, and strum the bottom 4. Now that's what I call the beginner's F. If you've been playing guitar a bit longer and you want a bit more of a challenge, then bar the bottom 2. Or if you've been playing guitar a lot longer, then try the full bar for the F. Your choice, okay? But for now, those 4 chords will get you a long, long way in the song. Okay, so I'm going to show you the rhythm pattern. The good thing is about this is that we're going to be keeping pretty much the same rhythm pattern going throughout the whole song. It works a treat, and it's an easy one to kind of put subconsciously into the hand, so you're not thinking about the hand, so you can hopefully do the singing, or at least get a friend to do the singing. Okay, so the rhythm pattern is this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. A little slower. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, Good. So unless I say otherwise, every chord that I tell you, you're going to do that rhythm pattern twice for, okay? Anyway, I'll get stuck in now and I'll show you what we're doing. So we're starting with the C chord, and actually there's no guitar right at the very beginning. He sings, I've been holding on to, then you're in. Now, just to remember what I said at my beginning of the video, it's a bit high for my voice, so if you hear me going squeaky or loud or rubbishy, then that's because it's too high, and I'd personally lower the capo. I've been holding on to sea, swimming in the sea, and trying to find my G back to you, 'cause I'm G-ing a little bit of A minor, a little bit of F, a little bit of F. Stop. Okay, so you'll hear that it's the order of C, G, A minor, F. And when you get to the F, I did the F once. F, 2 and 3 and 4 and F. And then when I went to go and do it the second time, I strummed and I put my palm on the strings to stop them, okay? That's what we want to do. We want to stop the strings. And then we get a little bit of love. Lately I've been, and then there's that vocal by itself, and then we're into the verse, okay? So I'm going to go from a little bit of love, a little bit of F, I need a little F. Lately I've been seeing stars, and I see that I broke your heart. It's F that I didn't want for F. But I'm C, step on broken glass, C. This is my F chance. All I'm trying to do is find my path to you. So basically the verse is C, C, F, C, F, F, okay? C. And I'm sorry that I broke your heart. It's F that I didn't want for F. And then we repeat that. C, 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 and F, F, I'm trying to go for F. And then this pre-chorus, okay? So we're going to change the rhythm slightly. We're going to go, for every chord that I say, we're going to go down, down, up. I've got A minor, G, and this C, and F. I've got A minor, G, and an F. Stop. Okay, I'll do that one more time. I'll do that a little bit slower. I've got A minor, G, and a C, and an F. I've got A minor and G, I got F. I've been holding on to repeat chorus, and then in the C, and trying to find my G back to you, 'cause I'm G-ing a little bit of A minor. Just like the, I'm gonna repeat the chorus all for once ain't seeing, trying to find my G back to you, 'cause I'm needing a little bit of A minor, A minor, A minor, little bit of F, little bit of F. And then it basically all repeats again, and I will be here all day doing that. But I reckon I've given you, you've got yourself a rhythm pattern, you've got the chord order, all right? So the chord order in the chorus, C, G, A minor, F. The chord order in the verse is C, F, C, F. The chord order in the pre-chorus, remember, down, down, up, A minor, G, definitely F. I've got A minor and G, and I can't lie, and stop the strings. Off you go. Okay, now there's only one other part, really, that you need to learn in this song. So coming out of the back of a chorus, a little bit of love, I need a little love. So then it goes A minor, G, sorry, I'll do that again. A minor, I tried to see, but I used my wings too soon. G, C, F, A minor. So this this is the bridge. I tried to fly, but I used my wings too soon. Now everything I've been thinking of you, I tried a million times to cut you loose, right? So the order of the chords is A minor, down, up, G, down, up, C, down, up, F. Repeat. And then one more time. And then a final time on the I've been holding. Okay? So that is your bridge, and then you do your chorus again. All right, so that is it. Pretty basic, simple song. I really hope you've enjoyed the lesson. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up and please subscribe and click the bell icon on my channel so you can get updated when I'm doing new lessons. Thanks a lot for stopping by. See you again for another